So Tata Technologies listed today. It was one of the best listings on the Indian stock markets. Stock was up 180%. Now, this video is for people who didn't get the allotment and if they're thinking if the stock is worth buying at this level. First things, like there'll be a lot of people who bought into this IPO after taking on debt. Like they have to exit, they cannot continue holding on to them. JM Financial, Bajaj Finance, all these companies, they like provide temporary debts for people who want to buy into the IPOs who don't have the funds. Now, they would obviously be exiting at these levels by booking on profits. So that's not the main point here. If the stock corrects 20-30% from here, it's not because of some sort of exit from like big institutions that you're worried about. Second thing is, like, people are complaining about valuation, like it's trading at 87p. This funny thing is, like, the mid cap companies, if they receive one or two clients, like they get more orders, the PE levels naturally comes down. If Tata Technology acquires a new client tomorrow, then naturally the PE value comes down because you have new orders in your pipeline and then that is discounted in the stock price. So that is not my concern. The second thing is, there was news about one of its clients that's going bankrupt, VINFAST, like that's one of the auto companies from Vietnam. Now, I did a little bit of research on the company. I haven't done complete research, by the way, like this is just on the surface level. They are struggling, they have reported losses, but it's not that the company is going bankrupt. The stock price did come down 70%. They have plans of raising capital, so that's a good thing. That doesn't mean that the company is going bust and Tata Technologies would be affected because of that company. So that's another point. I'm not worried about the rumors that are being spread in the market. That's not true completely right now because there's not enough data on that, and I don't want to believe just somebody posting a hit piece. So that's another thing. So do your own research. I'm not advising anyone to buy or sell. I'm just sharing what I'm reading right now, and I don't think any sort of bad news coming into the company. In fact, I'm very inclined towards reading if there's any sort of new orders coming into the company. If that is the case, like the stock becomes undervalued. There's no point of saying 87p, 89p, 90p, like it's overvalued. So that's my 2 cents.